What it do, YouTube? I'm back again. Little snow update. As you can see, it's coming down, bro. Look at this. We got our dog out here. This is deep, man. You can't even see the grass, the curb. Got my boots on. I ain't even prepared for this shit. I just realized that, man, I ain't got no really winter. I mean, I got this North Face jacket I've been having for years. I'll let y'all see that. It's got two jackets. It's a double liner. I got a hoodie on. I got a beanie. But, whew, man, I don't really got like a bunch of pants and shit like that. And I see what James Walker was saying. Shout out to Alert Zone. I need to get, I don't know if this is going to happen again. Probably by the time I buy all this shit, I won't need it because it'll be back to normal Louisiana weather. But as you can see, it's coming down, man. Holy cow. Man, you got to be careful where you walk too, because you can't even see the curb. I put my garbage can back in because they didn't come pick it up because they closed the road. But the street right here, you can see, this is a street right here. You see like you can see it. That's down the street right there. Man, woo-wee. It's coming down. Come here. Come here. Why'd you let her run out? Come here, Zoe. Hey, come here. Could you help me get her? Zoe, come on. Come on. Woo. Come on.
Come on, Zoe.
Come on. Hey.
Come on, Cookie.
Oh, man, this is...
Come get her boat. Just don't worry about her. I got her. Come on, Zoe.
Dogs out here running around. Huh, Zoe? Here. Oh, okay, hold on.